Joining us now is Dr. Lysett Baboscai, a doctor of clinical psychology with South Florida Integrative Medicine. We're talking about kids getting back to the classroom during this new day of age. I guess it's not so new anymore. We've been dealing with it for quite some time now. But just off the bat, doctor, let's start talking about what social emotional learning is. What is that?
Social emotional learning is the process of developing skills that help us understand ourselves and navigate ourselves in the world in relation to others. So self-awareness, self-control, and interpersonal skills are kind of under this umbrella of social emotional learning. And these are skills that are vital for school, work, and life success. And research has shown that people with strong social emotional skills are better able to cope with everyday challenges and benefit academically, professionally, and socially.
How can parents get their kids ready to kind of navigate their reentry into more in-person social contact? And, it's starting in the classroom and also at home as well.
I would start with validating your child's feelings. That means that you kind of see and state what they're going through and really acknowledge that instead of trying to change it. And if possible, I would, to the comfort level of the family, see if there is a possibility for children to interact with each other. If there is no opportunity to do that right now, then it becomes very important that you take the time to interact with your kids the way you would like them to interact with others, and really teach social emotional skills such as self-awareness and self-control.
Okay. And what are things parents can do if they see some behavioral issues with their kids?
So the first thing I always try to teach parents is, instead of focusing on the problem behavior or challenging behaviors, to focus on what they want to build up, and really make an emphasis on modeling these behaviors yourself, and reinforce children to show these behaviors. So for example, if you hear a lot of swear words and you want to build up kind words, then you should model kind words yourself and encourage children when they're doing what you want them to do.
All right, makes a lot of sense. Dr. Lysett Baboscai, got to practice what you preach, in other words. Thank you so much for your time, doctor from South Florida Integrative Medicine. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.